How to fix Binance login error on Android. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to fix Binance login error on Android. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest and updated version of Binance. If you are not using the updated version of Binance, so you have to open your Play Store and type Binance in the search bar. Now here you have to update Binance to its latest version. After updating, now here you have to click on the Binance icon and hold for 3 seconds. After that you have to click on App Info here. Here you have to scroll down and click on Storage and Cache. After that, click on Clear Cache at the right bottom. After that, click on Clear Storage on the left bottom. Now here you can log into your account in Binance, in which you will not face any problem. This is how you can fix login error in Binance. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.